Hi there, this fob is from a Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to be putting it into a new case today. These buttons are obviously very worn out, so let's get started. First thing you need is a flat blade screwdriver, and you need to remove this back cover here. Pop that off there, and then take your screwdriver and wedge it in here and just gently pry the sides. Obviously the circuit board is in there, so you want to be pretty gentle with it. Alright, so there is your old fob. I can just take this, and it's really best if you wear gloves. Alright. And this battery out there. Okay. Give that a good squeeze. And then you can use the original bag that has a Chevy symbol. And that's it. You're literally back in action. You don't have to change any transponders or anything. That's all you need to do. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.